Hey guys, what's going on? Back here with another quick unboxing and review. Quick review. We have today's portable projector sent over to me by a seller in Amazon. Link in the description down below as always. But it says it's portable, but compared to the other ones, you know, the ones that are attached to your phone case, it's not that portable. But obviously this one has a better quality. It does have a promotion on it, so if you like it or love it or leave a comment, you will be able to get some free stuff, maybe, depending on, I guess, random selection. But HDMI included, power cord, and old auxiliary connections, DVI, plug and play pretty much. So they do have two different colors. As far as the box says, it says it's white and black, so you get two different colors. This one is all white. You have all your different buttons options right here. You do get the remote as well, so if you lose a remote, at least you can still operate it directly from here. I've seen some other projectors that don't have the buttons. At least they might only include the circle one and the menu one. I don't really like that option, but some of them do not include it. This one does. Pretty good. So on the front and the back, you have the IR, the infrared, for your remote. That's good. Rubber stands, and a nice little hard shell lid. Usually they're rubber, but this one's hard shell. Still good. Focus and angle. Besides that, that's pretty much it. You got your manual and your kickstand to angle it, depending if you're gonna put it on your table, or, well, yeah, that's pretty much it, on the table. But since it's supposed to be mobile or portable, obviously you are gonna set it on a table. It does have USB, headphone jack, AV, HD, the HDMI connection, computer for your PC, and an SD card reader. So all pretty much important connections, or typical connections that you might end up using anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and power it up and show you guys how it looks. It is supposed to be 180p display, so we'll go ahead and test that out and see how it actually works. It is a LED light bulb, so I don't see it being replaceable. It doesn't seem like there's an opening for you to open it up, but yeah. Anyways, it does have two speakers, so yeah. Anyways, I'll test it out. So this is how it looks during the daytime with the windows open. It looks pretty good, still pretty bright. And this is nighttime. At nighttime, when it's all dark, it looks a lot better, obviously. But yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.